Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to message your teacher through Schoology. So once you're in a course or on Schoology, what you'll be able to do is go over here in the top right and find the envelope button. Go ahead and click on that and then click on New Message. Here I'm going to type the last name of my teacher and click on this, and I can maybe say the subject might be question. And then from there, I can now begin asking my question. I can also add a file to my question. I can add a link. And you can also add a resource, but that's not going to be really pertaining to you, mainly the file or the link. When you are ready, you're going to click Send. That's going to send a message to your teacher. They will be able to see that message. So right now, I actually just got an email because I am the teacher of this course saying that Cindy Brady just sent you a message. So I can read that message. I can then respond to that message directly on Schoology. So once I have responded as the teacher, the student will see a notification near the envelope. And then from there, they can click on here and they can actually see the different messages. So here is a message that was sent out by the teacher. So it says, "Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well." Now if I want to respond back to that teacher, I can. And so that is a message of my inbox. I can also see my sent messages, which you can see right here. I sent question. And then once I get that response from the teacher, that's going to show up in my inbox. So it's nice because you can have communications directly on Schoology. So I hope this video was helpful in learning how to send a message using Schoology to your teacher. Have a good one.